Happy week of March 11th, my Van Horn Hornets. This is this week's Van Horn Hive. And remember to empower all to be successful today for a better tomorrow. Some updates. This week we start our Eureka Math training at Berkshire Elementary School. The training will begin at 8 a.m. and will go approximately till 3:30 p.m. Please bring your laptop or a different device so that you can access the content that they will be discussing. I believe that this training is going to focus on the elements of Eureka Math that you could not use, or help to prioritize the elements of Eureka Math because of time constraints. Remember that on March 12th we have 2nd and 5th grade and Ms. Moore. On March 13th, we have kindergarten and 3rd grade. On March 14th, we have 1st and 4th grade and Miss Randolph. And then on the 15th, we have 6th grade. This is also going to be a busy week because we will also be running our track meet in the morning and during lunches. Anybody who can come out and help with that, it would be greatly appreciated. The following week, we have our deep data dive and the analysis of interim 3 results. We will have a half-day roving sub. The dates are there for you to reference. Please make sure you plan accordingly. Please note a change of date and time on March 20th. 6th grade is all day. And on March 21st, 1st grade you will be in the morning and 3rd grade you will be in the afternoon. We are moving into the next full week of practicing the instructional infrastructure and lesson delivery. As you are developing those lessons, we will use the data and backwards mapping from the deep data dive for interim 3 and curriculum development days. We will develop those components of lesson structure and sequence. You are able to seek peer feedback. The academic coach, AP, and myself are happy to cover classrooms and or come in and give you feedback, or you can seek feedback from other teachers on campus. And then walkthrough feedback will begin the week of March 25th. As always, if you have questions, come and see me. All right, some updates and reminders. We introduced the art project and theme at our PLC last Wednesday. We're going to do the theme of spring. Decide on a similar spring theme for each grade level. I'd like you to turn in 1 piece per class to be judged by 8 a.m. on Wednesday, March 20th. Make sure that piece has the student name and grade on the back so we know which grade level is being represented. The winning piece will be displayed in the district office. All other pieces will be displayed in the Van Horn office. All right, teachers, some boxes are getting very, very full. So please remove all items from your boxes daily, including paper. The office staff place parent messages and notice in boxes, and we want to make sure that you see them. And it's difficult to monitor that if your boxes are packed. So again, please empty your boxes daily. This week we have several guest teachers on campus. We have substitutes on campus every day. I put except Monday, but I forgot right from the beginning and beyond starts on Monday. So please be flexible. Make sure we hold each other's students accountable and we give lots of praise and reinforcement. All right, exciting. On Thursday, March 14th at 6:30 p.m., we will have a Van Horn night at Rollerama. Please talk it up to your students and participate if you can. I will be there with my skates on. All right, deep data dive is the week of March 18th. We want to maximize that time. So please make sure you bring student work and you have a printed copy of the matrix report. If you don't know how to print the matrix report, please ask for help prior to your scheduled day. All right, my favorite part, shout outs. Thank you to Miss Akins and Miss Smith for getting afternoon interventions set up. I believe those groups are starting this week. Thank you to Miss Kathy for getting the multi-purpose room ready for grade level awards. Thank you to Mr. Haycock for hosting the Student of the Month Assembly in my absence. Thank you to Mrs. Pelletier, Miss Rainey, Miss Heinley, and Miss Kane for participating in the Minute to Win It game. Thank you to Miss Rainey for purchasing forks for the lounge. Thank you to Miss Niffen for donating the popcorn for the flight ticket drawing last Friday. And thank you to Miss Moore and Mrs. Williams for supporting intermediate students who needed additional time to finish their assessments. And especially thank you to all staff members and students for enduring a grueling 2 weeks of testing. I can't wait to see the results, but I know that it will pay off. All right, that wraps up this week's communication. Please remember our school-wide foci, planning and instruction, data-driven instruction, and our PBIS matrix for lining up and walking in the hallways. Have a wonderful week.